All right, y'all. So we're gonna use Indeed for this project. And so first thing you want to do is just go ahead and Google Indeed, and then when you have see it right here, go ahead and click on that. So the first time you sign in, it makes you create an account. Just go ahead and log in with your Google student account, and just I'll skip this for now. Definitely try to set up. Um, where you are, that way it's going to tailor it to your location. And you can do these right here. So if you're getting a job that's for a college, someone going into college or getting out of high school, just go ahead and put whatever. I'll just start right here with like 17, let's go 18, be a little optimistic, per hour. And then you can always change this, and choose one of these if you want. I'm going to skip this part right here. And these actually some of my first jobs were in cooking and stuff. And so right here you'll see prep cook, medical front desk, event server. So for this assignment, y'all, you choose a project or a company that you want to work for. Either I'll let you choose whether it's something that you're going to get right now while you're in high school or just out of high school. So it's a little bit more like relevant to you. Or if you want to look ahead into the future and you're like, well, I want to see with a diploma and a college degree, like what kind of jobs I could get, then if you want to go that route, feel free to choose a job that you would get after you finish college or a certification, whichever one you want to do. So something that you can do now, because you can even apply for these jobs right now, right? And here you see right there, it tells you like 18 to $22 an hour, full time medical front desk. So here you see the wages. Always be a little cautious with ones that have like a huge range from like 18 to 30. That's not super huge, but if you see something from like $10 to like $100 an hour, that there's something kind of suspicious about that, right? So just kind of be aware of that. But you see here, you're getting some things for $20 an hour, $22 an hour, 1,500 a week. So you would just choose one of these, click on it, and this is how you would research the jobs, right? So say you want to do I don't know. These aren't very. Let me go back here. Something that I'm a little bit. Oh, look, even the same day pay. Something I'm a little bit more familiar with. Like I said, I worked in the food service industry for a little bit, and right there, fair chance, encouraged to apply. So that's cool, right? If you have a record and you're worried about not getting an opportunity, you will at least get that. And yeah, here it tells you all the different things that you would need. Some of the benefits, job requirements. So make sure that you have some of these things right here: basic knowledge and how to cook, and some experience. 3 months isn't too bad, but if you don't have that experience, you would definitely have to um, start somewhere. And if you don't meet every single qualification, try it. You never know. Maybe they'll overlook that one thing if you're good at everything else. All right. And so yeah, you go ahead and you just put whatever. So here, prep cook. I'll just put that just because we're kind of looking in that area. And here, you'll get all the different things having to do with prep cook. But this is what I wanted to show you here. You can filter it through like the date that was posted. So you just want to look at the last 7 days, right? You don't really want anything too far that was posted too long ago. Those are red flags, y'all. If the job's been posted for a while, stay away from those, because it means they're either can't hold on to anyone, or their hiring process isn't very good. So here, you'll choose how far you want it from your house, what you expect to make, full time, part time, contract. And contract jobs, y'all, they usually just last for like a few months, or yeah, usually a few months, and then your contract's over and you got to go find another contract job. Usually those pay a little bit more. Here you choose the hours that you want to work. Encouraged to apply, so fair chance. Again, that's if you have like a criminal record. And I guess that's not really the best way to. If you have a background, right? You location, company. Yes, that's pretty cool. You can even choose if there's a company that you've heard good things about. Choose that, and then your experience level, probably entry level, right? If you are doing the one, well, either one, whether it's from when you graduate college or graduating now, those will probably be entry level. But here you see All right, and then just click here, choose a job that you like, and that will be the one that we will focus on for this assignment.